at makisalo sa isang umagang puno ng homemade na saya.
Kwentuang bahay tayo, friend. Mga poppable boys na piniling maging independent. Kikilatisin na.
Derek Ramsey, John Avila at Sid Lucero. Isi-share ang buhay nag-iisang mga binata. Dito lang yan.
Gusto mo makatabi?
Anyone really who's cuddly, who's good to talk.
Eh di chubby.
Kasi ikaw na magpakilala, nahihiya ako.
John, Derek, and Sid. Welcome.
Thanks for having us. Thank you.
Nasasay ako.
Okay.
Joke lang. Okay.
Ako muna. John, are you living on your own talaga?
Yes.
Nakalipat ka na?
Hindi pa.
O paano yun?
I was actually going to move to Quezon City, but it didn't actually pull through. So
Tagalog, marunong ka na magtagalog.
So, saan ka na?
sa Makati pa rin.
On your own? Or may roommate
Isa
ka?
ako dun sa
Kasi
Makati.
napakahusay. Electric fan, lahat. Kahit
Bakit?
cabinet,
What happened?
marunong.
Bakit hindi ka natuloy sa Quezon City?
It was kasi makakasalan ng kapatid ko sa July. So, medyo mahal ng kasal niya. So, my mom's kind of delaying the payments till September.
Cute. Come on. Why not?
That's right.
Thank you, thanks.
How long have you been on your own, Derek?
Matagal na.
Like how long na?
Siguro, since college pa ako eh. So sa college, I had my own apartment na eh.
Was that a decision that you had from the very beginning?
Yeah, all the kids in the family have their own choice. I chose to be independent at a younger age than most sa Pilipinas.
Tanong lang isa, what have you become dahil dyan?
Moving out of the house, I've seen parang what the sweat that my parents have worked through for all the kids that they put through school.
Naging mas appreciative ka.
Yeah, hindi mo na-appreciate yun. You sit back, you do your schooling, the only thing you worry about is your term paper, ganyan-ganyan. Pero yung pera na at panahon na pinapasok nila para mapapunta ka sa pinakamagandang eskwela, na-appreciate ka talaga yan.
At what age were you financially independent?
Oh, wow. I'd say...
Kasi syempre diba yung pagka-college
right.
and all, sagot pa nila yon.
Of course. Pero even in college, I got a job already so that meron akong extra money
Anong
to go on
trabaho?
trips. I'd work at a culinary art school. Ako yung nagpapack ng mga food for the trays na gagamitin sa school. So that paid for my trip to Cancun, Mexico.
Wow, that comes with
break.
independence. Wow.
Yeah.
Sid, talagang hindi ako nahihiya. Gaano ka nakatagal na independent?
Almost the same. Sa college din po ako nagsimula. But like,
Saan ka nag-college?
Ateneo po.
Oh,
I had 1 year there and then 1 year in CSB.
saan ka nag-stay?
Because at that time my mom had a flower shop tapos meron siyang extra unit. So it was more convenient that I'd stay there.
Sa Leola?
Opo.
Yes, and
Oo, naalala ko rin yun. And then, pero hindi pa ako financially independent nun. So,
but she gave me a budget which I had to work with, which paid for rent, electricity, plus my food. And then,
talagang pinagkakasya mo doon.
yeah.
Okay.
I tried.
Now.
Saan ka?
What is it?
I have a place in Little Baguio and
Alone.
I have a roommate. I tried to be independent and financially independent, but my mom moved in the same building, but not in my unit, you know.
Kayo ba nagluluto, naglalaba? Alam ko ikaw marunong ka. Hanggang ngayon?
Yes,
Naglilinis?
actually I'm quite maarty with food actually. So
You are maarte with food, so anong nangyayari? Bumibili ka sa labas?
yes, I like buying my own groceries and my own fruit.
Ang husay mamlansya. Totoo. That's his favorite, di ba?
Actually, that was my first job. Pressing
At a
shirts
laundry?
in a menswear store.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
A cleaning lady, Derek.
Once a week. She comes in. Once a week lang.
Okay.
I don't like coming home to a dirty place. So ako talaga nililinis ko yung bahay ko.
Ang laundry, sino gumagawa?
I have someone do my laundry.
Marunong ka ba? Marunong ka ba maglaba?
Well, sa machine.
Okay. Pero hindi ka
Quarters.
Sid, ikaw, marunong ka maglaba?
Or you send it out? Kasi di ba ngayon, kinikilo
Yes,
na,
yes.
and then they weigh it, and then they bring it back. Ano ba yung term?
may tumutulong sa'yo na nakatira sa bahay.
Wash and fold. Ang term nun.
Ito naman pala, meron siyang katulong. Okay, so pero
Spoiled talaga to.
anong gawaing bahay ang alam mo?
Paligo ni mga puso.
Yung cats?
I have cats, I have dogs.
Cats and
Ikaw,
dogs.
di ba yung
I have
mom?
dogs.
Ikaw?
Paano yun pag wala ka? Who takes care of the dog?
I leave it with my sister. Sometimes I leave it with Angel because she's got a dog also. So I let the dog
Ayun.
hang out.
John, ikaw, may pets ka?
Sa UK, yeah,
okay.
I don't have any pets here in
John, malamig ang gabi. Halimbawa, di ba? Malamig ang gabi. Tapos,
Sino gusto mo makatabi? Sasagutin mo sa pagbabalik ng...
Boy!
And Chris!
John, yung katanungan ni Chrissy.
Yeah,
Diba?
sino gusto mo makatabi?
Anyone really who's cuddly, who's good to talk.
Huwag ka magbibiro, ha? Huwag ka magbibiro, ha?
Anyone is
Anyone.
cuddly. Cuddly. Eh di chubby yun, Diyos ko. Sayang ang katawan mo.
Pangalanan na natin, sino?
Kamusta kayo ni Mariel? Are you still communicating?
Yeah, we're still communicating. We see each other sa ASAP minsan. Sobrang
Hindi
busy.
masyado.
She's really busy. Also, I'm medyo busy. So
Meron siya, di ba,
John is
nung
the
fit and right
favorite.
kasi, di ba?
No, John is the favorite of Mariel's mom.
Yeah, pero di ba si Mariel merong kabisihan ngayon?
Medyo.
Fit and right?
Yeah.
May-
At saka si Sancho is judging in that contest.
Ala,
Okay, nalaman ko lamang
hindi, di ba meron silang shampoo?
Yes.
Oh,
Which is coming out.
Sakit.
Pero naghahanap naman tayo ng trabaho na kung maaari magkasama si John at saka si Mariel.
Aray. Derek, ikaw, kamusta kayo? Going strong?
Yes, very good.
We're very happy. We're very
Oo.
happy.
Anong ginawa niyo for Valentine's?
Wow, on actual Valentine's Day, nagtatrabaho kami. So, after
Na-
Valentine's, nagpunta kami.
You were doing maging sino ka
Maging.
man?
Yeah.
And
You guys
she
were
was in
together.
Bulacan, I was in Pagsanhan.
Oh no.
But
Pero gumagawa
bumawi
ka pa
kami
rin.
right after.
Okay, good.
Pumunta kami sa Zambales and
Yes, kasi remember boy, sinabi niya na yung friend mo magbo-birthday.
yes.
So, doon kayo
we killed
nagpunta.
two birds with one stone. We went out there. I've never been out that far in Zambales.
Then,
And we were there. We hung out on the beach. We actually fell asleep on the beach. It was nice. It was nice and cold. The stars were out, and
Galing.
so yung hindi mo mosquito or anything like
voila!
that?
It was really cold. It
No,
was
Iba
really cold.
Zambales is actually really, really beautiful.
Yes. Then the next day we took a boat out and spent the whole day out.
Boat as in, ano, parang,
Banga.
Kasi Bangala.
Banga. We went. I said, I'll bring you out fishing. She's like, sige, I want to go
may
fishing.
na-catch kayo?
So,
Pwede na.
Pwede na. Pwede na. You wanna go boating in Iba Zambales?
Say you have a girlfriend, di ba?
I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Her
You've been
name
together for how long?
is Rosie. What does she do?
She's actually styling for Lobo right now.
Gaano na kayo katagal?
We're gonna be magpo 4 years na kami this year.
Oh my God.
4 years.
Hindi na mabubuwag yan. What is your dream home, John?
Actually, I was thinking. I've just come back from Ozamis kanina. So
Saan?
Ozamis.
Saan yun, boy?
Sa Mindanao.
Sabi na,
Okay.
Ozamis. I like the way you say it.
I stayed in this place called Loretos Resort.
Loretos.
It's like a summer home. It's really nice. It gave me some inspiration for where I'd like to live when I get older. It's like a beach house with a swimming pool, and then
Wow.
It just-
Sandali, bakit napunta ka doon?
I
Ikaw
actually-
taga Ozamis.
I had a show there. I sung
Okay.
2 songs for a show.
You sing.
Yeah, I tried to. I can pretend to.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Si Derek kasi, di ba, sobrang ganda yung house daw nila sa Tagaytay.
Sobra.
I've heard. So,
Sobra.
syempre parang ang mom mo at dad mo na-achieve na yung dream house. Ikaw,
I want to live by the water.
big.
And for me, Australia, somewhere in Australia, the Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Lots of stuff to do. You know,
Iba
if I
ang
have a
dating ng
family.
dagat talaga. Iba, no? Ibang
Yeah,
hangin,
may
ibang
pamilya
dating.
na ako. My kids can grow up on the water, have my house, my car, my boat in the back of my house, and just take my kids out in the water.
Where?
Actually, hindi ko pa, before, ganun din, gusto ko lang sa beach.
tubig.
Sa tubig
Pero-
talaga. Because I grew up in the beach in Cebu. I had 4 years there. But now,
Where? In Cebu?
Cebu
yeah,
daw.
Okay.
And then, now, parang, I think, I'm more concentrated on work and I'm not really...
So, hindi mo
looking for-
naiisip?
Hindi muna.
Thank you very much for making the effort to talk with us.
Maraming salamat. You guys have shows? I mean, you wanna
Maging
thank the
sino
people,
ka man,
John?
of course, yun.
ASAP doing Sunday, so watch me there sa ASAP.
Kung saan kumakanta at sumasayaw ka.
sumasayaw.
Okay. Para nyo po maging sino ka man, Monday through Friday. At abangan nyo rin po ang aming bagong teleserye ni Julian Santos.
It's exciting.
That's really exciting. Talagang, Sid.
Kung Fu Kids.
Opo, sa Kung Fu Kids, Mondays to Fridays. Pagkatapos po ng TV Patrol, bago po ng Lobo. Tapos, Zelda po at saka Manay po 2. Abangan niya.
Mag-introduce ka na ng ginawa mo
Alam
sa
niyo po mga
Iloilo.
kaibigan, kasama ko po si Sisi. Kami kumanta, sumayaw sa isang napakagandang bahay sa Iloilo. Panoorin po natin ito.